Hello everyone, so it is Sunday, July 3rd, and we just got Taco Bell. It says I've got the hookup here with Julia.
Hello.
And, okay, so what have we done? We went to Target, we hung out with Zoe a little bit, and we went to a little store place that we've never been to in town, and that was interesting.
It was fun.
And, yes, we got our favorite chips and cheese. Here's Julia's chips and cheese. Missing some of your cheese.
Thanks, Mom.
And
oh God,
child. And so we're gonna eat and talk and hang out for a little bit, and I have to go soon.
Gossip about life.
Grandparents came, and we're gonna have dinner, and then Lexi's coming for dinner too, so I'll probably vlog with her a little bit. And sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. I didn't really do anything. We went to the grocery store. We got Starbucks earlier, my usual cold brew, and that's really what's going on. So we're not really up to a whole lot of anything, but
it's a relaxed day.
Those are the best kinds of days.
True.
And I need to get back into vlogging a little bit more. I feel like I've kind of slowed down the last week or so, and I'm sorry, but we're getting back into it.
Yeah.
And everything.
You're on vacation. You needed to have a little break.
We have a video coming up tonight, on Sunday. And then tomorrow Joshua's coming for 4th of July, so we get to have a really cool video for that.
Yeah.
And this week's going to be busy but fun, so that's
busy.
we're doing. Hey guys, so it's dessert time. We had dinner and everything. We've got ice cream and a little berry cobbler. And I'm going to make a little dessert for Lexi and I. My dad's watching a movie with Lexi's little brother. And I've also been doing Lexi's hair. And she did mine, except you can't tell because I took it out and it's been hurting my head. But I think tomorrow I'm going to do fishtail braids because I was teaching her how to French braid and Dutch braid and do all these things. She's like, I don't know how to do it, you help me. So I helped her out, and that's what we're doing for this Sunday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, so I just finished shopping at Safeway, and today is Monday, July 4th, so it's 4th of July. Super exciting. I've got my red, white, and blue with my Zeg wear. Woo! And then I'm going to wear my white Converse with the blue and the red. So I'm going to be really patriotic. So, just got some butterscotch chips and little roaster pans for my dad because we're going to our friend's house for a party later. And I'm going to make butterscotch blondie chip thingy-mabobs. So that's what we're going to do when we get home. And Joshua's coming in the next hour or so. So I think he may help me bake. And that's what we're doing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Goodbye. Alright, so we're back. And we're heating up the stuff. And we're going to be making these little blondies. Wait a second. I'm going to show them what they're going to look like. So they're like this. And that is what Joshua and I are up to right now. I'm gonna make some blondie things and then we'll show you when they're done. Alright, so we made our brownies, our blondies really. Look how good these look. So we got little butterscotch chips, and we'll cut them up and we will see you guys tonight. Hello guys, so it is Tuesday, July 5th, and Joshua's still here. Hello, babe.
Hello.
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 So we are at the car wash, and we're getting my car washed because apparently there was ash and everything from yesterday that got all over my car.
Fireworks.
Yeah, from fireworks. So we're gonna just go through this, and then what movie are we gonna see?
Finding Dory.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Did you see the first one?
Finding
Dangerous?
Nemo?
Yeah.
No, Dangerous.
Oh.
I don't think so.
I guess I
When did it
went
come out in theaters?
like 2001 or 2.
Yeah, I was like 4. I don't think
Oh.
I probably did. I don't remember.
Oh. Apparently I did, and I was like really little, and I was really scared. Yeah. And my dad took me, and my mom's like, you shouldn't take her, she's too young. And I got scared from like the stingrays or sharks. But now I'm old enough that it's not gonna scare me.
You sure?
I think so. Oh, and when I was little, I also had a Finding Nemo Finding Dory, and I thought it was really good. I thought it was really cute. Almost cried at the end. It was so adorable. And that was just fun to see. What did you think of it?
I thought it was very good. Not as good as this first one though.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't really remember the first one because when I saw it, I was like 3 or 4. Because, yeah. All right,
I felt like they did try to. I felt like they tried to do too much though in this one. You know.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
The first one was more simple.
Yeah.
It was nice.
But the modern kids, they're complicated.
They have cell phones and technology.
Technologies, we don't know. But I thought like the concept was good, and I liked how they just kind of connected everything. And it was just really sweet and adorable. And now we're going out to dinner, cause you know, why not? And we're gonna eat and hang out, and I'll show, obviously, you know me, I'm gonna show you the food. Someone was like, all you do, Lauren, is just vlog what you eat and just food. And I'm like, well, you're not wrong. It's basically food diaries by Lauren plus random other things we do. So that's what's happening.
It's been a great day so far.
Good. I've had a really fun day.
Good.
Good.
All right, let's go eat.
All right, we're gonna go to dinner. Talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, so we're at dinner, and I got chicken Alfredo, chicken fettuccine, and then Joshua got chicken parm and spaghetti. So we got dessert, little vanilla gelatos with cute little waffle crackers. And that's where we're ending it for today. I don't think I'm doing anything else, so see you guys later. Bye.